Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to learn Lesson 3 from your literature reader, Trail of the Green Blazer. Written by R.K. Narayan. Before we could read the lesson, let's know about the author. R.K. Narayan was one of the first and most famous writer of Indian literature in English. He is known for his works set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. His novels were liked by children and adults alike for its simple prose and humor. Children, how many of you have gone for shopping? Yes, I could hear your voices. While shopping, have you lost anything? How would you feel? Would you like to continue your shopping? No, isn't it? What would you call the person who takes things from others without their knowledge? Robber, thief, pickpocket. Children, do you think is it a good habit? No. This lesson is about a person who takes pickpocket as his profession. Let's see whether he was successful in all his attempts or was he caught and penalized for such a behavior. The characters in this story are Raju, a pickpocket, the green blazer man, and Raju's wife. Raju, a pickpocket, sat on a stack of banana stalks in a crowded place looking out for someone whose pocket he could pick. A man with a green blazer caught his attention and Raju focused on him. As a pickpocket, he had to watch his prey cleanly. He was not successful always. There were times when he counted himself lucky if he could withdraw his hand from a pocket without being caught. He was happy if he could steal a bulging purse with money enough to take slates, books, and sweets for his children, and a blouse piece for his wife. When he did get too much money, he had to hide it in an envelope or among the roof tiles, or else his wife got upset, suspecting that he had gone back to being a pickpocket. She wanted to believe that the money he brought home was through honest labor. Deciding to pick the pocket of the man in green blazer, Raju followed him at a safe distance, but close enough to hear his voice while arguing with a coconut vendor about the price of a coconut. He decided the man was stingy and might make a fuss if he found out that his pocket had been picked. But he also learnt that the man was soft-hearted. He had heard him say he could not bear to see his motherless child cry when he stopped to buy a balloon for his son. Raju picked the pocket of the man with the green blazer. When he passed through a crowded stall, he was happy to find 30 rupees and some small change. It was enough to keep him from picking a pocket for another fortnight. He decided to give the change to beggars and take his family to a movie. He was about to throw away the purse when he found the balloon tucked inside. Raju could not bear to imagine the child's disappointment when his father returned home without the balloon. He had no choice but to put the purse back in the pocket. As soon as he slipped his hand into the pocket, the man with the green blazer shouted that his pocket was picked and began to beat Raju. People laughed when Raju protested that he was putting the purse back in the pocket. The magistrate did not believe him. His wife said he had brought disgrace to their family. even when he maintained that he had only tried to put the purse back in the pocket. He became a joke among the police. Raju served a sentence for 18 months. Children, in this lesson, Raju initially wins our admiration for the ease with which he steals without being caught. But he ends up like a comical figure. This tells us that hard work is always well paid off. The money which is acquired through hard work only stays with us. Life is not a bed of roses. Nothing can be achieved without hard work. So, be good and do good. Glossary words from the lesson. Idler, someone who is lazy and does not work. Persistent, continuing to exist for a long period of time. Shikari, hunter. Sawing voice, a rough voice. Haggled, bargained. Petty, small-minded. Fortnight, a period of 2 weeks. Ruffian, rude and violent man. Answer the following. What did Raju love to find in the pockets he picked? Raju loved to find a nice bulging purse in the pockets that he picked. Number 2. Why do you think the speaker called Raju an idler? The speaker calls Raju an idler because he is lazy and does not want to work hard to earn a living. He prefers to steal, which is a quicker way of getting money. Number 3. Why did Raju select the green blazer as his prey? Raju selected the green blazer as his prey because the man looked well off. Number 4. What made Raju think the green blazer was mean and petty? Raju thought that the green blazer was mean and petty as he haggled with the coconut vendor and argued with the balloon seller. Number 5. Why didn't Raju throw the empty purse into the well? Raju did not throw the empty purse into the well because it contained the balloon that the green blazer had bought for the motherless boy. Raju thought that the boy would be disappointed if he did not get the balloon. So he decided to give back the purse to the green blazer. Children, hope you would have understood the lesson. The activities for this lesson will be sent as PDF. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.